Today, I'll be reviewing AHA, a leading tool designed to help product teams with roadmap creation, idea management, and strategy alignment. AHA stands out for its comprehensive suite of features, which cater to various aspects of product management. When you first visit the website, you'll notice how easy it is to navigate through different sections. Right away, you're greeted with options to learn more about the platform, its features, and pricing, which is great for newcomers. Point one of AHA. As standout features is its product roadmap creation tool. You can easily visualize and track the progress of your product, and it's particularly useful for teams that want to align their goals with product development milestones. The interface is user-friendly, making it simple to update your roadmap with new features, releases, and timelines. AHA also integrates seamlessly with tools like Jira, Trello, and Slack, allowing teams to work in their preferred environment while still benefiting from AHA's roadmap features. Another feature I love is the idea management system. AHA allows teams to submit and evaluate ideas, making it easy to prioritize what gets built next. This is essential for any product team because it ensures you're working on the right features that align with your business goals. It also supports collaboration, so your team can discuss, vote on, and provide feedback on each idea. The analytics and reporting features are another strength of AHA. With AHA, you can generate detailed reports to track your team's performance, monitor deadlines, and assess product success. These reports can help you refine your strategy and make data-driven decisions, which is crucial for product teams striving for continuous improvement. Now, I want to mention that there are many useful links in the description of this video. Make sure to check them out after watching for additional resources that might help you with product management. Overall, AHA is a fantastic platform for teams that need a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for product management. Whether you're managing a product roadmap or handling feedback and ideas, AHA covers all the essential aspects of product management. It's a powerful tool, but it may require some time to get fully accustomed to its wide range of features. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.